Hello students. So let us see the last part of this chapter, that is Hall effect. So before going for the Hall effect, there is one important concept from 12th standard which we should just revise, that suppose there is a charge particle moving in the magnetic field, what happens to that charged particle? If you can remember from 12th, that's really great. So for charge particle, let us consider for electron. So negative charge particle. Suppose you have this negative charge particle moving from right hand side to left hand side. This direction, it has some velocity v, and suppose there is magnetic field applied which is going inside this board. So when you say it is going inside the board, you can represent that as this way. So as you remember, it simply means field is going from outside to inside, it is in this direction. When, so this is B bar. When this happens, if it is so that magnetic field is going from out to in and negative charge particle is going from right to left with this much velocity, one important phenomenon is observed in the nature, just like a law of gravity, that this electron will experience force in downward direction, some particular force. So this is what we learnt. So in short, first of all, charge particle in the magnetic field experience force. This is the basic law what we learnt from 12th standard. And how much is that force? If you could remember, was charge into this velocity. How much is this velocity? I can probably write v is in this way, and the b. So rather I should do ulta. So please write this down by yourself. I am not going this in written, but this is very important. ठीक है? So when charge particle moving in the magnetic field, it experiences force, and magnitude of that force will be charge into the speed with which it is moving into the magnetic field. This is what we learnt from 12th standard, and that is to be revised right now. Okay, please write this down by yourself, that is for your own understanding.